Hi guys, this video is a little bit different. I'm still on my holiday in Bali in the island of gods, and I did a little poll on my Instagram stories asking if you would be interested to see what beauty and makeup products I took with me on this vacay, and you said yes, so here it is, this video. So I have like loads of things in here. I didn't come light, I packed quite a few things. So let's start from the face creams. So I found this brand called La Roche-Posay. It was quite pricey, so this tube cost around £19. What I like about it, it's 50 plus SPF and it's anti-imperfections cream. Honestly, really good. It has this little pump, it doesn't leave any white marks. Look at this, you see? No white marks, and it goes in the skin so nicely. The skin is so super soft, so this one is a brand new find for me. I didn't try before this holiday, like I literally just found in a shop before coming here. Really impressed by this one. Talking about sun creams, for the body I really like a brand called Malibu. So this one is SPF 30, the logo cleaning off because I've been using this. Basically what it is, it's a dry oil spray, high protection. So it's 30 SPF, and what I like on the other side, it says the UVA we have stars, which is really high. Because when you're looking for sun creams, you're looking for higher UVA and higher SPF match. And what I like about it is the dry oil, it's non-greasy. Because talking about SPF creams, I prefer oil rather than the cream, but not the actual oil because it tends to be greasy, and you know, it goes on your clothes and all, makes your hair greasy. At least like my hair is so long, makes my hair greasy and all. But this is a dry oil, so skin becomes super soft but there's no greasiness on. So talking about this Malibu SPF cream, I always start from the SPF 50 in the beginning of holiday, and then I move to 30 and eventually to 20 or 15. So we've been already in Bali nearly 2 weeks, so I'm already on 30, and then I got the 15 one and another one. The logo is peeling off as well. I'm gonna try to insert a picture of the actual product. I got the scalp spray, so this one is SPF 30 because I don't know about you guys, but I do sometimes burn this part of my hair, like of the skin, not the hair, because I don't put any sun cream or anything in there. So this scalp spray is absolutely amazing. Another thing what I like about this Malibu brand, that it's not tested on animals. They even state that on the packaging, but only tested on the humans. Humongous thumbs up just for that. My hair usually being on holiday, because I'm washing it literally every day, because you know, beach and sand and all, gets a little bit dry, like on the dry side. So I really like this. Once again, a logo cleaned up because I'm using this daily. This is an argan oil heat defense leave-in spray. So basically this is more for like hair drying, or if you're using straighteners or anything like that, but this protects from the heat and it's super moisturizing and all, and it has Moroccan argan oil extract. It's super hydrating and all. It doesn't make hair greasy or anything, so I just spray this in after I wash my hair before drying it, and it smells amazing too. Super fresh. Couldn't recommend this more. Moving on from the sun creams and all, after tanning in the evening before sleep, I like to, after taking a shower, put another face cream on. So this one, because I'm on vacay, so try to pack everything in a smaller packages if I know I'm not gonna use a whole, you know, tube or whatever it is, so I don't need to have so many products in. So I just packed in this little travel container the face cream. This one is by the Superdrug. I've been loving, honestly, this cream for a long time now, been using for a long time now, and couldn't recommend as well. So I took this to use in the evenings, you know, before sleep, because it's super moisturizing. And for a body after shower, I like to use this Rituals cream in Honey Touch. Really like Rituals because it smells so good. And not only this, I took together with me the coconut oil. I took this from UK. I just packed once again in a like a travel container thing. And coconut oil is super good if you burn your skin, because it has anti-inflammation properties and like healing properties, and it's so good and gentle on your skin. So I literally bath myself in this after the shower in the evenings before sleep. Another thing I took with me is a perfume because I want to smell nice. So this one is just Sarah Jessica Parker NYC. Talking about makeup, as my daily makeup, what I use, as you see now, is eyebrow pen, eyebrow gel, and a lippy, because I got lash extensions just before I came here. So for my eyebrow pen, I took two different ones. I got the NYX Precision Brow Pencil in Espresso. I like that it has a spoon on the side, and then a pen on different side. And I took as well the Revolution brow pencil in dark brown. So once again, this pulley and the pen. And to keep my brows in place all day long, because if you watch my channel, you know that my brows are a little bit bushy. I took this NYX Control Freak brow gel with me as well. So my brow sits in a place no matter the wind, the ocean waves, or swimming pool, or anything. Brow sits in place all day long. No problem with that. For my lippy, I took the NYX This Is Everything lip oil. Been loving this for over a year now since they released, because it's super moisturizing. So one of my holiday essentials. And then for lippies, I took only NYX Lip Lingerie lippies. I took 4 shades. Usually I take more because I'm such a lipstick holic. So the shades I took: the Exotic, the Ruffle Trim, Buster, and the Seduction, my 4 favorite shades for vacay. So this I use daytime, evening, anytime. I love lippies so much. At the moment I have actually Ruffle Trim on my lips. And I took 2 lip pencils as well, both by NYX. One is Nude Suede Shoes and another is red. Okay, so talking about makeup, because to be honest, on holiday I don't really tend to wear much makeup, and I just wear every second or something evening. I don't wear every day, especially on daytime. You know, it's sunny, it's nice. Why on earth I would want to wear makeup, you know? So one thing that I use is Ready Set Radiant Skin Mist. I like to spray this one on my face just kind of to refresh my face, and this one smells amazing. It literally smells like a spa. For my makeup, for a base, I use face cream in the evening, as I showed you. Then I use primer. I took with me the Obsessions Game Set Matte because my skin is so oily. Then I got the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C2. And the foundation, I put foundation once again in a little travel container, and then I took a bigger as well, just in case I'm gonna run out. So this one is Can't Stop, Won't Stop by NYX in medium olive, although I think now it's a little bit too light for me. So what I do, I take the NYX Wonder Stick and I use this darker part, the contour part, to kind of darken up my foundation, you know, to contour more and then blend throughout so the color actually matches my skin tone. To set the face, I took with me powder that I'm obsessed currently with. This one is Bake and Blot. Really love this powder. It's super skin perfecting and it's photo stable. Really loving this. That's why I took it with me. For the contour, I took with me, sorry, the label cleaned off already because I've been loving this so much. This is the Revolution Mega Bronzer in color Cool. Honestly, I literally took with me the products that I love the most. Another palette that I took that I can use for a contour, blush, and highlight is Total Face Palette. So this one I took for basically a blush because it has really nice blush in it. For the highlight, this time I went with Makeup Revolution collaboration with Dana Alturwaish Strobe Palette. Really liking this one. The colors are amazing. I did a proper review video about it. It's on my YouTube channel, so I'm not gonna talk about it much. And then I am obsessed with the eyeshadows, so I took a few. I took, to begin with, Tarte's Eye and Cheek Palette, Goddess Glam, and the colors are super lovely in here actually. So you have eyeshadows, the blush, and the highlighter, which is really handy when you're traveling. Another one, I took NYX Licorice Lane eyeshadow palette because I really like these bright colors. Then I took the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions, once again because of the colors. I really like this color mix. Another thing that I took with me is the mascara. I know I mentioned that I have lash extensions, but I like to apply a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line. And this one is surprisingly from Primark. You heard it correctly. So it's 3D Lash Effect Mascara. I filmed recently a review video about Primark makeup, and I tried this for the first time and I was like, oh my god. So the video is up on my channel. I'm not gonna talk much about it. Another thing that I took with me to set all the makeup and to keep it nice because of the heat and everything, and my skin is oily, so I don't really want to be shining, you know, in the places where I don't need to be shining. So I took NYX Matte Finish, like a travel size setting spray. Another thing that I have in here is tools to apply makeup. So Real Techniques blending sponges. I took 2 mini ones and 1 normal size one, and some of it Real Techniques brushes as well. Got all these brushes in here, packed quite a few. The pouch is actually from Real Techniques as well. It was one of the sets. What else do I have in here? Oh, so in this bag, this one is actually very doll's bag. This one was packed inside when I bought it. I got one more thing. So this one is the lash serum called Eye Glow. I did a proper review for it. I think it should be already up on my channel. It has huge effect, so I keep using this. Even though I have lash extensions now, but it's not oily, so it doesn't affect lash extensions. So I'm not gonna talk much about it, but I had an amazing result. Totally not sponsored, by the way. Video should be up on my channel already. This thing in here. So these are under eye gel masks. I really like to use this, especially after flight. My face is a bit dry and like puffy or something like this. This works as a wonder. I can't remember now the brand, but make sure to insert this in here so you guys know exactly what it is. But honestly, couldn't recommend this more. Super affordable and really, really good. Works wonders. Another thing I got with me is just a nail file in case I'll break my nail, and that's pretty much it. I'm just checking what I have in here, but I don't have anything else. So that's my holiday beauty and makeup essentials. So hope you guys enjoyed watching this super quick video and you find this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Really guys, I would really appreciate that. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what's your holiday essentials and what you would like to see next on my channel, and I shall see you soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Ciao for now. Greetings from Bali.